Hi, in this video we'll have a look at some of the ways by which you can create an object in JavaScript. So these are the MDM web docs and we are looking at the page describing an object. So the object class in JavaScript represents one of the data types. It is used to store various keyed collections and more complex entities. Objects can be created using the object constructor. So let's have a look at 3 ways of creating an object. So here the first way to create an object in JavaScript is by using the object constructor. Here we have our variable called person and we have some of the fields: person dot first name, last name and age. 2 of them are strings and 1 is a number. Similarly, you can create a function on the object. So we have a function called full name. It's a function and it returns person dot first name plus person dot last name, and we can fire a console.log to see what we get on a person and by calling person dot full name. Second way of creating an object also involves a constructor, but here we can use the bracket notation to define the properties. So the same properties: first name, last name and age. So we have Ben, we have Johnson and we have 25. We have created the full name function similar to the first function on person1 object. So we have a person1 dot full name. Similarly, we are printing it here. The third way to create the object doesn't explicitly call the object constructor. We can simply provide a JSON notation, give the properties and define a function inside the object definition. So you can do this like this. So this is a method inside the object definition. We can print it on the console as person2 and person dot full name. We can always define a function outside which can take a person and return the person's first name, age, whatever you want. So we have our bar get age and name. It's a function, takes a person object and returns you the first name and age. So here we have passed person1 and person2 to our get age and name method. Another way of defining an method outside of any object is by simply saying it's a function, this is the name, takes a parameter and returns this. Nothing much changes here. So we have a console, we have a log, calling a method and passing it person1, 2 and a person. So let's see what is the output we are getting here. So this is what we get. The first person has 25 as age, first name Tom, last name Catty. It has a full name function and its proto is object. Similarly, we have Ben Johnson, a full name function, and the proto is an object. And we have our third object, Jerry Mouse. So we called our methods on them and this is what we got. So these are the 3 ways by which you can define an object in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.